Hello, everyone. Just going to do a quick video on how to create the attendance roll calls, but then to repeat that process for multiple classes and within the same class. So once again, you see I've already created my attendance topic, and I did that by going to create topic and then making attendance. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a question. So I'm going to create a question. This is going to be daily attendance. And then for my instructions, I'm just going to say, please type your first and last names in the box, period. Don't need to add or create anything with it. I'm going to come over to the right. It's going to be for my test 2 class. I'm going to make it ungraded. I'm going to go and make a due date. So I'm going to push this out to Monday because that's my starting time. And then I'm going to make this due Monday by 2:30 p.m. So 2:30 p.m. right there. And then the topic is going to be attendance, and I'm going to shut off. Students can reply to each other. This way, you're the only one that gets to see the student responses. Now I'm going to go up to ask, and next to ask, I'm going to click that triangle, and I'm going to say schedule this for March 23rd, Monday at 7:40, and then I'm going to say schedule. This one has now been scheduled down here in attendance. Now I need to do this for each day of the week, so I'm going to go create, and this time instead of doing a new question, I'm going to say reuse post. I have to find the Google Classroom that it's in, so I'm going to go to the classrooms. You see I have all these classes. I'm actually going to pick Text 2 because that's the one that I created it in. So Test 2, and it's my daily attendance one that I just created. So then I click on daily attendance, and I select reuse. Now what it's going to do is open up that question again for me, where I can only thing I have to do is go over to the due date, change that to Tuesday now, make that time 2:30 again, and instead of it being assigned on the 23rd, I'm going to now assign it on the 24th, and then say schedule. Now you'll see I have 2 scheduled, so these will populate and push right out to my Google Classroom on each of those days individually, and you just keep doing it for each day of the week. Now the question comes up is, well, what happens if I want to do this in another classroom? I have to repeat this all over again. The answer is yes, but sort of yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of this test class and go into all my classes, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick another class that I'm a teacher in to show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my CHS FPS class. So I'm going to click that one, and I'm going to go into classwork, create, and I'm going to do reuse post. And now I'm going to go to my test 2 class because that's the one I originally created it in. So my test 2 class, and I'm going to pick any of the daily attendance ones. So I pick the daily attendance, and I'm going to click reuse. Again, it's going to populate back into my task that I want to create the information instructions for. I don't have to do anything else there, except I'm going to make this due date to be March 23rd at 2:30 because this is the first time I'm doing it for this class. And I'm going to make sure it goes into the topic attendance, and I'm going to schedule it to start at 8 o'clock now, 7:40 a.m. and on the 23rd, and then schedule. And now I would just go ahead and repeat the process each time. Create, reuse post, pick the one from that class, reuse, come over to the right, go ahead and make your due date, the 24th this time, 2:30 p.m. Attendance, schedule, same date, time. Oh, I should have changed that to the 24th. So I made a mistake. What do I do? So then I can go back into the one I just saved, and I can edit it. It's always good to make a mistake to figure out how to fix it, right? So Tuesday the 24th, I'm going to change this one, not to the 23rd, to the 24th for the scheduled time. And then I hit schedule again, and now you'll see that it's correct. It's scheduled for the 23rd and the 24th. And then just repeat that process for each class. I hope that helps you out with creating your attendance logs. Thank you and have a wonderful day.